Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to be teaching you how you can get into the Bullx.io beta, private beta. It's very simple, it's super easy to do, alright? Couple things you will need for this though is you will need a Telegram account. It's very important that you have one. You can create one with a phone number. It's super easy, it couldn't get any easier than that. But basically, I will have a link down in the description. That is going to be the second step. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Once you have your Telegram account, you're going to want to go down to the description. I have a referral code for you guys to get into Bullx. This is probably the only way you could get into Bullx as of right now. It is currently private beta, and people that are currently in are the only ones that can invite people on the outside. So once you find my referral code in the description, go ahead and copy it. It's going to take you to a Telegram, and then you're going to want to open the Telegram desktop, and then it's going to basically open up the Bullx bot here. What you're going to want to do is, you can see that it gave me a /start and I could log in already, but what it will give you is usually, and I did this a couple minutes prior, but it'll give you a /start like this, all right? And then it's going to prompt you that you're currently number whatever, for the wait list or whatever to get access. There's a bunch of like horseshit, all right? Repaste the referral code or the full Telegram code that I have in the description of this video, and then it'll go ahead and tell you your access code has been redeemed, and then you can go on ahead and just log into Bullx with your Telegram account. So I'm gonna go ahead and click it here, open, and then click Firefox or whatever browser you're currently using. Click not now, and there you guys go. We are now on Bullx. So you can use Neo Bullx or you can use Regular Bullx. And you can see that we are now logged in with our own Telegram account right here. You can see that that is my Telegram account. If I go back and show you, Athena's right here. That is my Telegram account right here. So that's pretty much how you do it. All right. That's how you're able to get into Bullx with my referral code. All right. This is a private beta, everybody. So that is probably the only way you could probably get in. With that said, if you found this video helpful or if you need help, comment down below. All right. I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to, get you guys situated so you guys can start trading meme coins and suck the liquidity out of these markets. So have a nice day, guys. Till then, I'll see you all for the next